Hello everyone, today, we are going to read Peppa Pig book. Peppa Pig and the Christmas Surprise. Please like, share and subscribe. It's Christmas morning, and Peppa and George are up early. They wake Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. Then they jump on Granny and Grandpa Pig's bed. "Wake up," says Peppa. Downstairs, Peppa and George look under the tree. "Santa was here," says Peppa. "There are presents for everyone." Mummy Pig gets a new hat. George gets a train. "Ooh," he says. Peppa gets a rocket. "Vroom," she says. There's a laptop for Granny Pig. Daddy Pig gets a pair of socks. Grandpa Pig's present is in a very big box. "I wonder what's in there," says Peppa. Grandpa Pig opens the box. It's a drone. Grandpa Pig has always wanted a drone. Everyone goes outside to try Grandpa Pig's present. They can watch where the drone is flying on the controller. "Look," says Peppa. "There's Mrs. Duck." "Hello." Quack. "The battery is running low." "Don't worry. The drone will fly home," says Grandpa Pig. But the drone flies away. It thinks home is the North Pole. Peppa and George watch on the controller as the drone flies. "I see Madame Gazelle skiing," Peppa says. "Ski," says George. "Look," she says. Danny, Zoe, and Pedro are sledding. "There's an ice skating party," Peppa says. "And there's a snowman." The drone flies over a snowy hill and past the zoo. "Penguins," says Peppa. "Yay," says George. "The drone must be close to the North Pole," says Daddy Pig. "There's a polar bear." Finally, the drone reaches the North Pole. "What's this?" says Santa. Plop! Grandpa Pig is sad to have lost his drone. "Come on," says Mummy Pig. "It's time for Christmas dinner." Just as they are eating dessert. Knock, 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 someone is at the door. It's Santa. "Hello, Santa," says Peppa. "I've come to bring back Grandpa Pig's drone. I decided not to come down the chimney this time. Grandpa Pig's drone will fly again." "Thank you, Santa," he says. "Ho, ho, ho," says Santa. "Merry Christmas, everyone." Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.